Everyone's here. Let's see. Yes. All right, good. I have some big news for us.
Should we sit down for this?
Are we updating everybody's laptops?
Is this about the team morale event? Because I've got some pretty big ideas. I've been working on some things.
Okay. Listen up, everyone. 100 stores open up next month, and we all know what that means.
A massive inventory spike.
And getting distribution back up to speed?
Plus a whole bunch of new hires.
Yeah, it's a lot. And I know exactly how we're going to do this. All right, here's our first order. 500 stuffed unicorns.
I only have 100. Oh, wait. More are coming Tuesday. I'll update the list.
How did the interviews go?
Awesome! Hiring these top picks.
The warehouse is having fulfillment issues.
I'll get a mirror on it. Congrats, everyone. We did it. We got all 100 stores stocked in record time.
Whew. Nice work on fulfillment, you guys.
Hey, you made it organized.
And the new hires are totally up to speed.
Nice. It all worked out. I mean, seriously, you guys are great.
You know what's great? Technology. All right, and teamwork.